Ever wished your Android phone could have that sleek iPhone-style call screen? Well, good news. Today, I'll show you how to make it happen in just a few minutes. Trust me, it's super easy, and once you set it up, your friends might even think you switched to an iPhone. All right, let's get started. First, go to the Play Store and install the Phone by Google app. On some Android devices, this app is already pre-installed, so you just need to update it. When you open it for the very first time, it'll ask if you want to make it your default calling app. Go ahead and confirm that. After that, close the app once. Now, reopen it. And in the top left corner, you'll see a little 3-line menu. Tap on that. Next, head over to Settings. Scroll down a bit until you find Incoming Call Gesture. By default, it's set to horizontal swipe. All you have to do is change it to single tap. And that's it. From now on, whenever you get a call, your Android's call screen will look and feel just like an iPhone. Pretty cool, right? So if you liked this trick, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Android hacks. Who knows, your phone might just keep surprising you with what it can do.